So science, because it's absolutely absurd, tells us that a very long time ago, everything in the universe, all the stars, planets, and even space itself was squished into a tiny, tiny spot. Similar and smaller to anything you can ever imagine. Then all of a sudden, there was this huge explosion. Not like a regular explosion. It was a huge explosion that stretched the whole galaxy everywhere. Super fast, super big explosion. That was called the Big Bang Theory. And that's how the whole world was created, and the earth and everything. Well, who did all that? What made it blow up? What made that happen? Or where did all the tiny little squished things come from in the first place? Who made that? You see, the problem that I have with science is it doesn't explain anything. And then when you look further into it, it makes no sense and is just absurd and ridiculous. That's the problem I have. The problem I have with religion is the more you look into every religion, the more you realize they come from ideas, ancient ideas, very, very old ideas. And those ideas come from the sky above us, because we've been looking at the sky above us, the same sky with the North Star, Polaris, discovered in 69 AD by Claudius Ptolemy. That star has not moved. It's been in the same position for thousands of years, probably since the beginning of time. Thousands and thousands of years. The Georgia Guidestones prove that. My telescope proves that, because it's been pointing at the North Star now for, I think, 6 months now about, and it hasn't moved. So I think it's interesting. But, you know, it's okay. I mean, you can believe in what you want. I just don't believe science, because it's silly. It's insane. You know, it's just insane. And then when people say, oh, the scientists, don't you think they'd know? No, they know what they're taught. They only know what they're taught. They're like anyone else. They learn from the people above them. And if the people above them are teaching them nonsense, they learn nonsense. It's all the same. So I don't know why people don't get this. I just watched a video about a doctor that said that and he's a cancer doctor that's been doing this his whole career. And he said over 50% of the cancerous tumors that he has worked on were not cancer at all. They were parasitic egg sacs. And he said if the doctors are not trained to look for parasites, they don't know what they are. They misdiagnose them. It's about how you are trained. If you're not trained to see it, to do it, to hear it, you're not gonna see it, do it, hear it. It's really simple. It's not that complicated. But, you know, I love you all. This is my opinion. I hope to see you at my website. And, yeah.